Hello, my crypto family. This is KL Crypto Show. Today, I'm gonna review the ICO Bethereum. First thing first, disclaimer: I'm not financial advisor. The information is not investment advice. Please do your own diligent research before investing or trading. I always do best to keep my content concise and no BS at all. So I hope you guys gonna be like it. So let's get started. What is Bethereum? Bethereum is a decentralized blockchain powered social betting platform where you bet with friends and other players, not against a bookmaker. Built on Ethereum technology and smart contract, Bethereum tackles the key chains of conventional betting while introducing a host of innovative features. All based on the platform are carried out via our own Ethereum-based token, Bether. So, what is the benefit and like the problem Bethereum will solve? So the benefit is instant payouts, unlimited winnings, transparency, entertainment, and simplicity in the betting industry. Team and advisor. Team, they have like decent team members, not all star. Advisor, I think they have the strong advisor, such as Philip Stahelin, strategy advisor, Victor Mukoselk, strategy advisor. Next, we go to the prototype. So they already have an app on Apple Store for just only for iOS device. So the roadmap, so they follow the plan so far in my opinion, and the complete project will be launched on like Q2 of 2019. Next, we're gonna discover about the caps. From what my research, I see no short cap. At this moment, hack cap is 25,000 Ethereum. That means almost $5.5 million. And I think this is really a good signal for the hack cap, with the investor. The next one, we're gonna go to like token. So the token of Bethereum is like very typical ERC20, run on Ethereum platform. Total supply is 1 billion Bether token. In my opinion, I think it's like a lot of token, and this one may be not a good size for the investor. Token for sale is 60%. About the community, like every ICO, they're gonna have to try to build their community. So Twitter, they have around 21,000 followers. Facebook around the same 21,000 followers. The members are very active on the Bitcoin talk. We see the forum to talk about the new ICO. So Telegram, they have around like 50,000 members. You can see that the hype is quite high, and it's absolutely here for this project. Competitor. So Bethereum had a competitor set up like Better Betting, Wagers, Xwing. So at the end, in my opinion, in the conclusion, right? I think in short-term holding, it's positive. Because the hype is absolutely strong for this project. They have decent teams and advisor. Long-term holding, I also think positive because they have huge and competitive market. But however, they need to recruit more team members with strong experience in blockchain technology. So, and I think about the business idea or vision is really, nice and, doable. At the end, please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I always do the best to keep my content concise and no BS, provide a lot of value for you guys. Hit the notification bell, share my video, comment on my video, what you guys want me to, like review on the ICO. Donation link are below to help the channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. See ya.